Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of precision tools with a spotlight on the Chicago Pneumatic CP7411K kit. If you're into welding, woodworking, or automotive detailing, this air die grinder is a game changer you won't want to miss. Imagine having a tool that combines power and versatility in one sleek package. With a robust 0.56 HP motor and an impressive speed of 22,000 RPM, the CP7411K is designed to tackle a variety of tasks with ease. Whether you're polishing stainless steel or fine-tuning intricate details in your woodworking projects, this tool delivers consistent performance that can elevate your craftsmanship. What sets the CP7411K apart is its heavy-duty construction. Built to withstand the rigors of daily use, it's perfect for both professionals and enthusiasts alike. The straight design and 1/4 inch 6mm collet make it easy to switch between different attachments, allowing you to customize your approach based on the job at hand. But it's not just about power, it's about control. The ergonomic grip ensures comfort during extended use, so you can focus on your work without worrying about fatigue. Plus, the lightweight design means you can maneuver it effortlessly, making those detailed tasks feel like a breeze. As you explore the possibilities with the CP7411K, you'll find that it's not just a tool. It's an investment in your skills and creativity. Whether you're polishing up your car, crafting a beautiful piece of furniture, or tackling a welding project, this air die grinder is here to support your journey. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more insights and tips on tools that can enhance your project.